Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June 20th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Novartis disclosed that progress in its biologics pipeline paves the way for 5 planned global launches of biosimilar products by 2020. Richard Francis, head of Novartis' Sandoz unit, suggested, "We are committed to significantly broadening patient access to biologics over the next few years." Also in the news, preclinical study data published in Nature Medicine indicate that Amgen's osteoporosis treatment Prolia could be effective at preventing the development of breast cancer associated with mutations in the BRCA1 gene. In this study, researchers found that the drug, which inhibits rancor, markedly reduced the proliferation of cancer precursor cells and delayed the growth of breast cancer tumors in mice. In addition, according to study findings published in JAMA Internal Medicine, doctors who received even modestly priced meals paid for by the pharmaceutical industry were more likely to prescribe the brand name medication that was being promoted instead of lower-cost equivalent therapies. Co-author Colette de Jong said, "We really don't think that a sandwich is influencing a doctor. Rather, we think our findings shift the conversation to say it's not about the money, but more about the time spent between the doctor and drug representative." And finally, shares in Circassia Pharmaceuticals dropped as much as 67% after the company announced top-line results showing that its experimental cat allergy immunotherapy Cat-Spire failed to meet the primary endpoint in a late-stage trial. CEO Steve Harris stated that the dramatic placebo effect observed in the Cat-Spire trial eliminated the ability to identify a treatment effect despite dramatic improvements in subjects' allergy symptoms and rescue medication use. Harris said the company now plans to analyze the full data set, but cautioned that he did not want to hold out a high degree of promise or hope that we will find something. Harris further noted that a complete analysis on the results will also allow the company to address the implications for our wider allergy pipeline and provide an update on the development plans for our broader business at our interim results. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.